today we are going to discuss the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, just see, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction in which the two individuals are needed. One is the male individual and one is the female individual. Obviously, children, in sexual reproduction, there is the fusion of male and female gamete. So that's why in sexual reproduction, one is the male individual is needed. Male individual, it produces the male gamete. Male individual produces the male gamete. Or this male gamete is also known as what? Sex cell or germ cell. And female individual, similarly the female individual, this female individual is needed for the production of female gamete. So that's why sexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction in which the two individuals are needed. One is the male and one is the female. Male individual produces the male gamete. Gamete is also known as what? Sex cell or germ cell. So male germ cell, female germ cell, male gamete or female gamete, they are produced by the male and female individual respectively. And one very important thing, children, about the sexual reproduction, that the male and female gametes are produced by a special type of cell division that is known as what? Meiosis. So just see this, suppose that in human being there is a testis. This is the testis, is the male reproductive organ, and ovary is the female reproductive organ. So from the testis the male gamete sperm is produced, and from the ovary the female gamete ova is produced. So how they are produced? One cell of the testis that undergoes the special type of meiosis, cell division, that is known as what? Meiosis. So in case of sexual reproduction, the male and female gametes are produced by the special type of cell division that is known as what? Meiosis. When the one cell of the testis that is diploid, suppose that it is one cell, this is what? 2n, diploid. Diploid means what? They have the full set of chromosome. Full set of chromosome means what? In human body, in each and every body cell, there are 23 pair of chromosome. So 23 pair means what? Total 46 chromosome in one cell. In each and every body cell of human body, there are 23 pair or total 46 chromosomes. And this cell, which is diploid, when that will undergo the meiosis, so they will produce the 4 haploid sperm. They produce the 4 haploid sperm, which are haploid sperm means what? These sperms are having they are represented by n. N means what? They are having only half set of chromosome. Half set, n means 23 chromosomes. They are having only 23 chromosomes. The sperms are having only 23 chromosomes. So obviously, in case of sexual reproduction, the male gamete is produced by the meiosis. For example, one example we have seen in human being, the testis is having the one cell, that cell undergoes the meiosis, and that cell is having actually the full set of chromosomes, 23 pair, 46 chromosomes. But when that cell undergoes the meiosis for the production of gamete, that is sex cell, then that cell division is known as what? Meiosis. And what they are producing? They are producing the male gamete or male sex cell, that is what? Haploid. Similarly, in case of female, the ovary is having the one cell, one specific cell. That specific cell is going to produce that cell undergoes the meiosis, and that produce the haploid female gamete, that is known as what? Ova. Ova or ovum. Ova is plural and ovum is what? Singular. Now, one thing which you have to understand, In case of sexual reproduction, the male individual and female individual, here we have taken the example of human being, they produce the male and female gamete by the process of meiosis. For example, in testis the meiosis is taking place, they produce the gamete which are having the half set of chromosome, that is the haploid gamete. Similarly, in ovary also, the one cell undergoes the meiosis and they produce the female gamete, that is known as what? Ova. So ova and sperm both are the gamete. This is the female gamete, this is the male gamete. Here male gamete is motile and female gamete is non-motile. Male gamete is small and female gamete is large. So obviously children, this male and female gametes are produced in the sexual reproduction, that's why two individuals are required. And second, in case of sexual reproduction, there is the fusion of male and female gamete. देखिए, in case of asexual reproduction, there is no fusion, no gamete formation and no fusion of male and female gamete. But in sexual reproduction, there is the fusion of male and female gamete. Just see, here it is the male gamete and here it is the female gamete. This male gamete is known as what? Sperm, and female gamete is known as what? Ova. So obviously this male and female gamete will fuse and they will form the zygote. They will form the zygote. This zygote is actually when these two are male and female gametes are what? Haploid. When they are fusing, they are forming the diploid zygote. And in class 9 you have studied that in cell theory that every organism start their